So I've been busy today. Car's now back on the floor, all in the arch there, it's all painted. I've welded. So I had to flip it back, or put it back on the floor, so I could weld this lip. So that's all welded along. That's the inside of the inner sill. That bit's welded in. That's the back of the patch. It's all welded in there. Yeah, got loads done today. Sorry I didn't film much. Sorry I didn't film much today, but that's what happens when you're trying to get everything done. It's so much quicker just to do it, and then I'll show you after. You've already seen me do all the other sides, so it's just normal welding, grinding, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, pretty happy. I've made a massive dent in it today, and yeah, definitely a step or two closer, so happy days. Right, so I've actually been that busy today, I can rub out a couple of things on this list. So inner sill, that's done. Silvering mount panel, that's done. Wheel arch patch, yeah, I did that. Hopefully I showed you guys. The closing panel, yeah, I did that as well. The rear quarter, that's been patched. Flitch panel, that's my next thing to do. So I think it's going to be, yeah, I think I'm going to do the Flitch panel and then fit the outer sill into that. So yeah, subframes are getting bead blasted this weekend, or sandblasted, so that'll be a good one. As soon as they come back I'll have to paint them, otherwise they'll rust. The rest of it, floors, pretty much done. Floors just need like stone chips, so I'll get some of that Gravitech stuff. Yeah, we are well on the way now. Right then, so I've got the car back on its side again, and I've just chopped out this nice rusty bit of Flitch panel. It was looking a bit worse for wear, so cut that out. You can see where the rust has started forming in the seams, so I'm gonna grind that back best I can and just weld in a fresh bit of metal. Right then, that's my repair now, all welded in place. I'm pretty happy with that, to be fair. That actually went pretty smoothly. It only took me a couple hours. It's all pretty close to where it's going to be, so yeah.